Hi everyone, welcome back to Nutritionist's Recipes. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple yet powerful ginger mix. This refreshing drink is packed with the natural goodness of ginger, lemon, honey, and raisins. It's more than just a tasty beverage. It's a true energy booster. It supports men's health, strengthens vitality, and refreshes the entire body. Whether you want to start your morning strong or wind down in the evening, this recipe is an easy step toward a healthier lifestyle. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 1. Fresh ginger, peeled and finely chopped 2. Lemon zest 3. 2 teaspoons of honey 4. 2 to 3 teaspoons of raisins 5. 350 milliliters of filtered water. Let's begin with our key ingredient, ginger. Known as nature's natural healer, ginger has been used for centuries to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote overall vitality. For men, it's especially supportive for energy and stamina. Take a small piece of fresh ginger, peel it, and chop it into very fine pieces. The smaller you chop, the more nutrients and flavor will be released into our drink. Next, we'll add a touch of brightness with lemon zest. Use a fine grater to zest the outer peel of the lemon, just the yellow part. This tiny step makes a big difference. Lemon zest not only adds a refreshing aroma and flavor, but it's also loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that boost your immunity and protect your body from stress. Together, ginger and lemon create a powerful duo of warmth and freshness. Now, let's balance the sharp flavors with natural sweetness. Add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is much more than a sweetener. It provides quick energy, helps soothe the throat, and contains natural antibacterial properties. Mix it well into the ginger and lemon. Watch how the golden honey coats the ingredients, blending everything into a smooth, fragrant mixture. Our next ingredient might surprise you: raisins. These little gems are rich in natural sugars, minerals, and fiber. Just 2 or 3 teaspoons will not only add a gentle sweetness, but also provide lasting energy and support heart health. Sprinkle them into the mix and give everything a gentle stir. Finally, pour in about 350 milliliters of filtered water. You can use warm water if you'd like a soothing tea, or cold water for a refreshing drink. Stir it all together, and your simple ginger mix is ready. This drink is proof that with just a few natural ingredients, you can create something that supports your health, energizes your body, and even helps maintain vitality well into your later years. Even at 70, small habits like this can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Nutritionist's Recipes for more simple, powerful health tips. Here's to your health, happiness, and longevity.